concluding with lipids today. Make sure you understand the macros I say. Now let's dive straight into it. Lipids are everywhere as they see fit. Fats, oils, waxes, medicines, and hormones. You need them to live? Let me make that known. Cause lipids have got important uses. Let's see why they are produced. Unlike carbohydrates, lipids give long-term energy, protecting you against the cold. They're the key. And they soften any physical shock, providing padding in case you fall during your walk. If you remember the cell membrane from water, the fatty acid tails turn away. That's because lipids are non-polar, while water is polar. That's what sets them apart. So yeah, the lipids combat water loss. Lipids form a layer, show water who's boss. In hormones, lipids provide stability. The lipid's gonna do what it's gotta do. Yeah, lipids are a fancy name for fat, keeping you warm in a cold habitat. Ain't gonna mix with water, can't get over the rivalries. Alive for the long term, that's its expertise. They ain't as simple with monomers and polymers, but they've got building blocks that occur. Glycerol and fatty acids are what they're called. Put together a glyceride from their hull. And these fatty acids have got long tails. Their bonds can determine their whole tail. You may have heard of saturated fats. Solid at room temperature is where they're at. That's cause they've got no double bonds, so a straight structure would be spawned. From that, they can be well organized. Packed tightly together's how they're generalized. Yeah, lipids are a fancy name for fat, keeping you warm in a cold habitat. Ain't gonna mix with water, can't get over the rivalries. Alive for the long term, that's its expertise. But what if the tail's got a double bond? Unsaturated fats is how they respond. The double bonds result in a bend. Because of that, solidity's a dead end. They would be liquid at room temperature. Thus their shelf life is not fully ensured. That's where the trans fats comes in. Boy oh boy, are we in for a spin. Trans fats have been hydrogenated, increasing shelf life, but health is ill-fated. By adding hydrogen, the oil solidifies. Hella heart disease, that's the prize. Yeah, lipids are a fancy name for fat, keeping you warm in a cold habitat. Ain't gonna mix with water, can't get over the rivalries. Alive for the long term, that's its expertise.